Hey everybody, today we're going to try Nature's Fury Nutri drink. Okay, there we go. Nature's Fury Nutri drink. Oh, it's early. Okay, it's according to this, it's strawberry and banana. Antioxidants, electrolytes, 100% RDI of vitamins, 15% real fruit juice. Found this at the store, picked it up, decided this was a good one. Said here's all their information, their promotional information type of situation. They even have a supposed breakdown of what's in it. Even says it has pure cane sugar. And on the other side, it promotes being healthy by being active and blah, blah, blah. And the UPC. And then here's the nutrition facts, and let's go with those real quick. It says serving size, 8 flowing ounces. Here's another one that actually says the truth about a serving size for liquids, 8 flowing ounces. And it says servings per container about 2. Calories, 80. Total fat, 0 grams. Saturated fat, 0 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Sodium, 25 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 20 grams. Dietary fiber, 0 grams. Sugars, 19 grams. And protein, 0 grams. And then it actually has a listing, not just necessarily the 4 vitamins and minerals that are usually talked about, but it says vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, vitamin D, niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. What in the world is this one? Pantothenic acid and magnesium. Okay. Now let's jump back to this. And yes, I do have to clean my glasses. It's I haven't gotten around to it, but it's Nature's Fury Nutri drink. And just on the safe side, I'm going to shake it up real quick, even though I don't see sedimentation on the bottom. Okay, let's open it up. It is not obviously a carbonated drink. And here's the trusty glass. And we'll give it a pour. That's a little more generous than 8 ounces, I believe, but still, we'll go with it. Now let's give it the whiff test. Wow. It does have, it's not so much as a separated kind of scent, but there is, it's joined. I guess that's the best word at the moment that I can think of, because it definitely smells like strawberries and bananas if you were to have them cut up in a bowl. That's incredible. Plus sugar on top. That is an amazing scent. All right, now let's give it the taste test. Wow. I'm trying to find the right words for it. It's very smooth. That's a good one right there. Very subtle. I was going to say soft, but it's a very, very smooth and subtle flavor. Very drinkable. There's a stronger presence of banana flavoring than there is strawberry. I like this very much. It's just too bad that I haven't found it in a larger quantity, because this would be something extraordinary if you were to actually get it in a quantity and save money that way. I'm really pleased with this one. Strawberry and banana. Nature's Fury. Let me see what company this is real quick. I'm going to close the lid on it and see where we are. Fury Beverages, Limited Liability Company, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Well, Fury Company, Fury Beverages, you are the only company in my entire life that I have ever tasted something so remarkably like natural fruits, bananas and strawberries in this case, without all the excessive, what I would call acidity in a drink, or the excessive flavoring, if you will, because it doesn't have that incredibly strong flavoring. This is very subtle, very smooth, very drinkable. This is an incredible product. And no, there's no endorsement here, or I haven't been paid to do this, or YouTube, like everybody else at the moment. But this is an incredible drink. I do recommend that you go out and get this and try it for yourself when you find it. Why not? I'll just drink it all. That is an incredible flavor. And obviously, I'm going to rate it here. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up just on the basis of everything that I previously said. Smooth taste, subtle flavoring. It's very good, very drinkable. It doesn't come out at you with like an intention. And in fact, it's probably an oxymoron. No, well, maybe not. Nature's Fury is not necessarily the correct term, I suppose. It's, because it promotes, the name in and of itself promotes it to be a very strong and coming out, like an energy drink or something like that. But it's very much the opposite, and I would not change this. Fury Beverages. This is probably the best one that I've had in a very long time. All right, and with that, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.